Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to cook everything wrong. Let's start by cooking chicken in the microwave. Just pop this right in there. 4 minutes on high ought to do the trick. Oh, it's making sounds, popping sounds. Ew, it's like foaming up and oh. So easy. It's even pre-shredded. Speaking of meat, let's cook a steak. Ew, is that blood? Ew, it looks like blood. That looks like blood. 20 minutes over high heat ought to take care of that. Well done. Next bite. Margarine and butter are the same thing, right? 350 degrees. I don't want to turn on the oven. I'll just use the microwave. Ooh. All right. Let's try 2 minutes. Whoa, it's blowing up. I think there's some butter bubbling. It's turning brown on the bottom. This doesn't look good. Tasty. Ooh, it's hot. I can't get it off the plate. It's stuck to the plate. Look at that. It's like sand. 9 by 13 pan. That is so not how my grandma made it. She always used an 8 by 12. Eggs for breakfast are super easy. All you need is a skillet. We'll just crank up the heat so it cooks faster. There are these strange bubbles. Ooh, they pop. I guess they're done. Speaking of eggs, hard-boiled eggs are the perfect on-the-go protein snack. Just put them in boiling water and boil for 45 minutes to make sure they're all the way cooked through. I don't know about you, but that green yolk in the center, that ring, super appetizing. This recipe calls for 2 cups of flour. Should I use purple or red? Self-rising flour is the same as all-purpose, right? These rolls sure don't look like the picture. This looks like a terrible recipe. Oh, it tastes like Play-Doh. Simmer and serve. I think you just add this to the pasta. Gosh, this sauce is super watery. What a terrible recipe. Whoa, this brownie recipe calls for way too much sugar. That's not healthy at all. I'm just gonna leave it out. Ooh, and I bet we can sneak in some kale too. They'll never notice. Ugh, another bad recipe. I can't do it.